In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Obsidian Mobile. First, open the Obsidian app on your phone or tablet. When the home screen loads, you'll see your current vault. To browse its contents, tap the box-shaped icon in the top left. This opens the file browser, where all of your folders and notes live, making it easy to organize everything from one place. Next, create a little structure so your notes have a home. Tap the new folder icon, name the folder project or whatever suits your workflow, and confirm. With the folder created, open it and create a new note inside. Give it a clear title and jot a quick first line so you have a starting point. Consistent names now will help you find things later. Tap the box icon again to collapse the browser and return your focus to the editor. Keeping the sidebar tucked away reduces visual clutter and makes writing more comfortable on a small screen. Now let's dial in your settings. Tap the gear icon at the bottom to open settings, then choose General. Here you can set fundamentals like the default location for new notes, editor behavior, and mobile-friendly preferences. Consider pointing new notes to the folder you just made, adjusting spell check and toolbar placement to your liking, and tweaking gestures so common actions feel natural. Next, head to Appearance. This is where you tune how Obsidian looks and feels. Pick light or dark mode, choose a theme if you use one, and adjust font size and line spacing for comfortable reading. Try enabling readable line length to keep text from stretching too wide. Small changes here can dramatically improve daily usability. Finally, open core plugins. These are built-in features you can toggle on or off to match your needs. Enable essentials like search, backlinks, tags, or templates if they fit your process, and leave the rest off to stay streamlined. You can always revisit this section as your setup evolves. That's it, your Obsidian Mobile is now organized, customized, and ready to capture ideas. Save your changes and start writing. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.